Yes, sir. They get my boy right. Y'all see, he got the door pies and everything.
Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy.
Yeah, man, we over here at the graffiti wall. Down here in Houston, Texas. I see that boy DJ Screw. Yes, sir. My boy got the drone, about to throw it up in the air. We about to get some footage here. And then go get the car wash. And then after that, meet up with a YouTuber from Dallas, Rell Too Real, man. He came up here to link with the boy. So we about to go get this car wash and then link with him, and I'll see y'all when we get out there, man.
D-Lo, you the hardest nigga on earth.
Yes, sir. Next day, we out here at detail spot. Finally got some sunny weather over here at Brio's and car wash. Shout out to SRTK for linking me up with this. Well, I was looking for a car. Look at it. Look how dirty this thing is. This is how I picked the car up. Dusty ass wheels, dirty ass paint. It was raining all day yesterday. I couldn't do nothing. Look at that. They got the whips out here. All the people that y'all seen in the video, the last video, they're going one of them. Oh no, that's the RT over there. Look at that Charlie, look like Pikachu. Look at that. That Challenger with the cyborg wrap. That motherfucker hard. Yeah, this is what we on, man. We about to get this cleaned up. Then we about to go link up with Rell Too Real. Got my dogs out here with me.
With it, man.
Got my manager, Bud. Yes, sir. My boy Jorge the shooter. But yeah, man, we about to get the car clean and we about to go link up with Rell Too Real and get a little bit of vlogging in, man. I'll hit y'all when we get there. Matter of fact, I'll show you what the Hellcat look like after it's cleaned up. They about to get to it, man. They got a little business running over here. They doing their thing. This type of shit, we need in Kansas City some hand washing. Yeah, man. Hit y'all when we get through washing the car, man. That boy, Rell Too Real, that pulled up. Look at that boy right there. That thing clean, boy. He going crazy. It's that one from last night, that wide body joint. That boy going crazy. Corleone Forge with the floater caps on it. Yes, sir. Slapping hard, too. He going crazy. Try to hold this, bro.
Fast cars, old school. I got a G-body too.
For real? Oh, you know I'm G-body. That's the life I'm living. Oh, yeah. I love G-body. Which one yours? The gray one?
Yeah, it's a rental. Nah, it's that black Hellcat. I rented that down here.
You know you red Hellcat? What up, Toro or something?
I'm touring. Every time I go out of town, it's so crazy, bro.
Oh, man. I see you filming.
Oh yeah.
Cameraman right here.
Oh, for real? Oh, for real, Rell Too Real, man.
Yep,
Man,
yep.
vlogging with Trey, man. We
Yeah,
had to
man.
step down to Houston.
Let them know.
Yeah,
man.
for sure, man.
Shout out to my dog,
Support,
man.
man.
Shout out
Support.
to you. Hey, shout out to you for being a real one, dog.
Oh, yeah.
From the beginning of me starting my channel, you was the first one to post me, first one to throw me on your channel and all that. So I appreciate that. Appreciate you coming down and keeping your word. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, oh, you know, I know a lot of people, when they dealing with this and they collab type stuff, a lot of people get screwed over. I'm not one of them type of niggas. You know what I'm saying?
So I appreciate that.
Already.
Even walking up to you last night, you kept it 100, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
I ain't know you was out there last night.
When
Bro, I'll be so...
I didn't, I wasn't trying to, get off.
No, why
boggle
you
with the
didn't?
subs and all that. Man, you boggle with the subs and all that.
Man,
You gotta
fuck
give them
all
space
that.
to do their thing. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck
I was
all
chilling
that,
out
man.
there. I'm about to get out there last night with the Corey and
Yeah. But see, I ain't know what exactly you was trying to do. I would have told you just meet up. She was out all day yesterday. Yeah.
I already knew what was going on.
Oh, well, yeah, I ain't know. No, we was out all day, really.
I'm mad I missed that 713 meeting.
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm mad I
would
missed
have
that
told you
one,
to
bro.
come up there.
Yeah, bro. I'm mad I missed that one.
Yeah, they had a whole lot of stuff, man. We went to a gas station, bro. That joint was so live. I know YouTube on the buzz already posted the video. So he had already posted today. So you was in. He already on. Yeah, he was already on. Hey, you know, I was asleep. I was knocked out. I got in there 4 something in the morning. I'm gonna edit it.
We didn't get into about 5:30.
Yeah.
We was out.
But that's what it is. Let me go check out these cars and stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Get them on this thing. I'll make sure I got your links and everything in the description. You already know, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to him right now. ASAP. Click off the video right now. Go subscribe to yourself and then come back to it. Already, man. Y'all know, especially when I tell people about investing in themselves. If you believe in yourself, the shit gonna come right back to you. Always.
I'm saying, what we doing? Already been in insurance. I've been in Texas all night.
Yeah, I ain't never been to Detroit before. Ever been in my life.
I know
I gotta come up there because my dog they ain't not even bouncing out. Joshua Runt, my dog Joshua Runt. That's my little bro, man. He be trying to get me up there all the time. So I'm going up there definitely this summer.
Go to the trick, they got the sideshow shit. That's what we was that last month.
Yeah, last month.
Kicking it.
Oh, okay.
You know, Kansas City, we do that sideshow shit.
Yeah, see, I gotta come to Kansas City too. I get a lot of love in Kansas too. You know,
Missouri. Yeah,
Missouri, yeah. I know. It's right over the border, right across down the street.
Coming back from
Chicago, yeah, I came through it.
Yeah, I wish you could have linked in.
Don't forget the Missouri
That's
now.
hip hop skipping away though.
Don't forget the Missouri.
Huh?
I said don't forget the Missouri now.
Oh yeah, no, we can't. St. Louis, everything. We ain't gonna forget it now. Memphis is right there by it, you know.
That's one place I gotta come to is Memphis.
Yeah. We be lit. We be lit. They turn up every time. Yeah. So this is gonna be really off the road. That's crazy that they. I thought about buying another car just for that. I thought about buying a red eye and put it on turbo. I know somebody gonna like it, but it would pay for itself.
It will.
You know what I'm saying?
It's a dude that came from Detroit that he messed with. He got a slim body Hellcat and a wide body Hellcat. Somebody, he's holding. I'm talking about, I don't even know how they survive the wreck type talk.
Yeah, but see, that's the thing. When you get these cars and you put them on this stuff, you just gotta make sure your insurance know exactly what's going on, and that it's a rentals insurance. So,
And you got the tourism insurance too.
yeah. Well, that's what I'm talking about. You gotta make sure all that paperwork right. You know what I'm saying? When you're doing that type of stuff.
I was out of Vegas a couple months ago. Vegas a lot. And I already the Hellcat.
Well, they be trying to get over. They be governing stuff. They be
It
putting
wasn't
governance
good,
on
but the price they got over. I paid $800 for 1 day.
Let me get that key.
Damn, that's good though. Because usually they talk about 12 for them type of cars. Oh, for real? And you got sunroof, everything on it.
We about to pull up too.
We lit.
And I see they got the wide body. They let y'all rent these too?
Nah, we actually just met him.
Oh, for real? Oh. It was just one of them Houston things. Will, see somebody?
Whoa.
Hey, I needed the water. I ain't gonna lie, I was hot. That nigga like move.
Right. Without saying it.
Yeah. Come up here and get them washed. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, this water bottle thing looking nasty.
You just bought it.
Dang, I got the same color. I got the haircut, everything. Hey, so I know I ain't spoke on this in a minute. If you guys want the haircut, wide body, the OEM joint, make sure you guys hit me on my DM. I'm selling it for $6,000. So whoever wants it, let me know. I'll ship it out to you.
That's how you put it.
That's old boy from last night too, ain't it?
You don't got the same new
Dang, that's crazy. All little middle right again, though. Yeah,
they
that's crazy.
about to pull up now.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, some Detroit guys about to pull up right now.
Okay, okay. Definitely got to get this, but yeah, man. So now, please, man, make sure y'all go ahead and click that description. And link in the description. Make sure y'all do that, man.
Shout out to Rell Too Real, man. I appreciate it.
I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all show a lot of support, man. I just try to show it back. Some type of way.
Support.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, always, every single time. That's really what a lot of people don't understand. When you go to the mud and the sun and you being real from the true beginning, bro, it's gonna be like that the whole round. No matter if I hit 1 million subscribers, I'm always be the same. Always. It's gonna always come back. 1 million times more. So always. Who turned over here? Who Christ?
I think that's one of them boys. We came up solo, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
We ain't came up with nobody.
Hey, I'm just getting all type of good footage, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, y'all see, got my boy Rell Too Real on the channel, man. Y'all thought it was a game, but it's really not.
You
It's going crazy, man.
They charge $10 over here for this store. Oh yeah, they're gonna work the phone.
You gotta put shit in motion, man. You gotta put this shit in motion. Somebody gotta do it.
Boy, $10.
That's crazy. I was about to go around the corner. They're talking about 30.
Oh well, he said 10. I just said wipe my outside.
That's all he do.
I'm good. Yeah. $10. You need doors. Oh yeah, I got that white.
Oh, that thing clean. I was gonna clean already. That thing nice.
I thought you was gonna get active last night, man.
Man, I was, but
Hell no.
one time,
Hell
my
no.
car
Every time, no.
messed up.
No.
Not when we out of town, man. If I'm in Memphis and I know I can go get a quick time, I'm good. Up here, you still be able to do one up here. I know, but it's a Sunday. That's what I think about them Sundays. Hell no, I got some new wheels for this deal. Oh, bro, I ain't showed you the new design. I came over with a new design, bro.
I'm about that money. That's all right. You got
Bro, I know. Because everybody want to run the Forgiato. Forgiato ain't they'll give you a slight discount for a sponsorship. But they ain't letting you they'll let you put your name on it. I ain't gonna say that. They gonna charge you though. But they ain't gonna let you make your wheel every time you get a wheel. They ain't gonna let you make no design. They ain't gonna let you get no commission off no design. Because everybody wanna yell their name, but Forgiato don't give a damn about their customer. Real talk.
I started making sure nobody really knew about it.
Yeah.
That's why when I get an old school, I just got mine.
Bro, and now that I'm there, you can go through me and I got you. I got you. Oh yeah, you know you can walk in. See, that's the thing about Corleone. A regular customer can come order their wheel. You ain't got to go through none of these shops.
They come out when I got my wheel back. They came out.
They measure it.
Do your measurements and everything.
Exactly.
Everything to your car. To your car.
So do they do custom paint as well?
Yeah, custom powder coat, all that stuff.
They give you a spot. You pick out the
You
color and
pick out your
everything.
color,
That's
or you get them your color code. Yeah, definitely do everything. Oh yeah. But see, I couldn't go low because I always had 26s on all my colors. Only had 24s on the colors one time, and I went 6s right out.
But 6 look good on the colors,
Yeah, and then it filled up the whole gap. But I gotta do the 30. I gotta go 28. You ain't know I ordered 28. Yeah, I got 28 Corleone. You going on colors? I know, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Hey,
Pull it in hot.
scats back to back.
Pull it in hot. Come on, man. Red boy back to back.
Mr. Wash that, get out there and wash the car.
Bud Dodgers.
I love y'all. Hey, keep doing what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? real. For the people that is catching it, because it's hard as hell to catch every single person's video.
Especially when you watch motion.
Exactly. I understand. Just when they do watch it that one time, don't kiss the goddamn ass. Yeah. No. 28, 22, that's about to be crazy. Oh yeah, that's not gonna be crazy. Huh? Nah, I ain't tub. I don't like the tub. The thing here with me, the tub, I don't want to put out my back seat. Like, you gotta, bro, you gonna see. Your seat can't even go back in once the tub is over. You gotta go straight and get a custom back seat.
Damn.
Oh, so yeah, you going to the home.
I'm doing the LSA swap on month.
For real? Yeah, I'm just going with little 6.2. I'm a turbo it. That's it.
You in the same boat as me?
Yeah.
You know, I remember the LSA is 6.2.
Yeah, I know. My partner got an LT4. That's his supercars on. Man, he's got an LT mode. Yeah, he's wearing that friend line. Yeah. He's dangerous. But my partner that's in Memphis building the motherfucker, whole lot of probably just gonna drop it in. Oh yeah, he's doing my dance swap and everything. So a lot of he do dance swap. No, bro. So a lot of his footwork, man. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, but he do the dance swap, so he can take your dance out of God and hook it up in your own shit. Yeah, I'm getting it done. So I'm probably gonna get a skate back seat.
I'm gonna call you back. Alright.
I ain't told them, but now they get some. I'm telling you this secret information, you know what I'm saying? But it's on this video. Right. Make sure y'all subscribe to him, man. Follow with Trey, man. I'm gonna keep saying the whole video so they can know. You know what I'm saying? Just so they won't forget. No more, they'll be watching the video all the way through and wait to the end and forget. Right. Yeah, we're gonna make sure that they know.
I be doing some crazy stuff on my channel.
What all you be doing? I done seen some videos, I can't say I've seen all of them.
Bro, I be shooting ARs out of helicopters, I be renting cars, driving through the mountains, bro. I'm doing my own car. I'm trying to go on with slide them motherfuckers. You don't want to slide. Bro, we did it last night. I had to talk to you. You doing this? It ain't my car.
I know, and then I ain't gonna lie to you. Sometimes they see like burnt rubber on it, off in the wheel well, they'll take your deposit.
The dude that had it right the day before, he burnt the tires all the way off. They had rubber stuck in there, and they got this.
Yeah, but they take your $500 deposit and slip it in their pocket and buy them new. They'll go buy some real cheap tires and put them back on there.
They get that money right back in that car. The day before I got it.
Oh no, they ain't gonna go buy no new tires right then. They gonna let the next person keep going through until they get all the way down to that bone. Then they'll buy some tires. Yeah. Hell no, you want that $500. I can't wait to go back to Miami though. We got them slingshots, man. You know my guy on Street Dream Rentals. Hey, no, we going probably. I want to go in January, but I might do February. I might do because it's around Valentine's. So it'll be something for me and go watch out there. Okay, so you down?
Line it up.
I know you down. I gotta say the word. Yeah. I got it. Oh man, this is crazy.
I've seen it. I'm mad with the few times.
It's just the police crack down.
Yeah, these boys out here cleaning, boy. Cleaning. Getting the Hellcat right. You getting that Hellcat right. Get me right for the meat. Get bro right. This thing nice, boy. Hella nice.
Yeah, you can go for the long board.
You doing outside only or?
Yeah, outside only.
You doing outside only?
The keys in it? Yeah.
Yes, sir. They get my boy right. Y'all see, he got the door pies and everything. Got the stars in the ceiling and everything. They ain't on right now.
Right on.
God damn.
Right. Hey, go pull back up on dude that watched that motherfucker yesterday.
Well, I swear, one thing we ain't got in Kansas City is
Nah, that nigga hit me on IG.
For real?
In my DM.
Hey,
Like, your shit was clean. I'm like, see, I fucked you up last night.
yeah, exactly.
Pull back up on him.
But I mean, we ain't fuck all that, man.
I swear, one thing we ain't got in Kansas City is stars in the roof, bro.
We got the stars.
We ain't got that in our city.
I literally got stars in the roof on him in that Mazda.
You gotta have them stars, dog.
Yeah.
Man, I'm putting them in the money.
Copyright. Good thing I heard that shit. Man, they be
Yes,
messing.
sir.
Tu camino que sin ti me va mejor. Ahora tengo a otras que me lo hacen mejor. Ya te quiero un hijo de puta, ahora soy peor. Ahora soy peor, ahora soy peor por ti. Sigue tu camino que sin ti me va mejor.
But yes, sir, man, y'all see it. My boy came from Houston to link with me. Just got the Hellcat watch. I'm about to just go ahead and sign this video. Hey, Rell, you got anything else to say to him, bro?
Okay, yeah, he ready.
You got anything else to say to him, bro?
Oh man, y'all just stay tuned, man. Subscribe to the boy channel, man, if y'all haven't. You know what I'm saying? But don't miss out on this footage, because we definitely finna get some more footage in.
Oh, yeah.
And y'all don't want to miss this riding footage, though.
Stay tuned for the movie. Y'all already know how I do it, man. It's Vlogging with Trey. I'm out.